Hey guys, so this is the new gun. Just came in like 5 minutes ago. So we're gonna be doing an air unboxing, and this is a sniper. So let's see. I only took off that thing so you guys don't know where I live. I don't need you guys shooting up me house. There. Is it upside down? Nope. Kind of hard to do. I don't really need that. So this is the IQ Shot competition Master Sniper green soft M32 whatever, who cares. Okay. Well, dose. Little Spanish lesson there. Oopsies. Alright, dose. Alright. Damn it, it's upside down. That would make more sense. That was the cover. Comes with bipod, spare mag, deluxe sniper rifle sling, dual spring operator speed lever, triple fully adjustable butt pads. Gotta get yourself some nice butt pads. Okay. Well, hopefully I won't need to return this. There it is. Should probably turn it around. One hand. More garbage. Pick that up. Instructions. Under the gun. I don't think we really need that. Alright. So we got main part. Wow, it's actually pretty light. No trigger. So that's kind of weird. It's green. We got this thing that weighs, I don't know, maybe like 5 pounds. You could definitely kill someone with this. Got the orange tip. Kind of like it. It's got the, oh, here's the trigger. It's got some fuzz on it. Interesting. Gotta try to figure out how to put those together. Looks like we got, here they are. The butt pads. Butt pads. Important. You always want some nice butt pads. I think I must have, wow. Nice. This must be a bipod. Yep. Let me just get this open with the bipod. It's got some oil on it, it feels like. I don't know. Yeah. Got the sling. A free rubber band. Yeah, I got stuff to put together with. Fun. And then 2. Looks like 25 round mags. I'm guessing 25. Yeah, it's definitely 25. So I can kill 50 people. Unless I get a collateral with those. This is the handy dandy. I actually ordered one of these two. Oh, Jesus Christ. Speed loader. So yeah. You know my unjamming rod? This probably goes into butt plugs, pads, butt pads. So I'm gonna put this together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I finished the whole thing, got it all built. Looks pretty sick. I ordered a scope for it, so I'll probably make an update video after I get that. Bipod looks alright. Kind of looks shaky though. Don't really know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Whatever. I don't really care. I shot this thing just like dry fired, and it freaking sounds like it's gonna kill someone. So I'm gonna go try to shoot something with it. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave something down below in the comment section. Link will be in the description. Subscribe and like.